Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to record a video tutorial for week 3 listening, speaking, and writing skills. Now, look at this. I'm going to zoom in so that you may easily see what I have included in my course. Uh, you know, I have added multiple activities. So, activity number one, that is everyday English scenario, listening and respond. And then I have a and repeat with Poodle, read aloud. And when I am going to click on the second number activity, you can easily see that I have added everything, instructions and objectives, how to do it. And there are other parts which I have added here, like listen, practice and read. So this is how I have created my course, and when once somebody is going to attempt this, that person can easily do it and attempt and complete this one. Now, if we look at the specific skill, listening skill, we can see that I have added multiple activities. Activity number three is hidden picture, and then activity title, that is understanding words and phrases, reflection diary, and support forum for if you have any kind of a query, if you have any kind of a question. So feel free, because I love questions. You can easily ask, and I'll respond. Please do not message. You have to send exactly where I am, where I have to respond you, because I have specified the area for your queries. And keep one thing in mind, that I'm just, because I have already created, so I have not turned it on the edit mode. But if I'm going to click on this, so that I can add, if there is something which I want to change, so for this I can add and do this. Now, moving to another one. Now let's see, in a week 3, uh, after that we have a speaking skill. That is, again, there are multiple activity that is all about me introducing myself. So it is to do, it means the student has to complete and attempt this activity. And then we have a forum activity, favorite activity, that is related with the discussion. And next activity, we have activity debate on indoor versus outdoor activities. And concept cards, which I have created on H5P. And then we have a support forum, again I have already discussed about this. And then we have a week 5 of this course, that is related with the writing skill. And I have activity added, the activity related with the writing, my day in 3 sentences journal. And then I have activity my day in 3 sentences. Again, there's a journal to do. It does mean that you have to complete this one. And then activity, my read my sentences aloud. So if, let me show you that how it shows. It looks that, the prepare your sentence, practice pronunciation, open Poodle, read aloud. And this is how we need to do it. And you, once you have to complete the activity, it means you have to add the topic, add the discussion. And then you have to post to the form, so that I can easily see. And you have to subscribe, so that you can easily get the notification for this. So this is how I have created for week 3, listening and listening, speaking, and writing. That's all. Thank you very much. I hope it is very much clear to you. Thank you very much.